went to the jeweler, bust the AP, yeah. Sliding on the water like a jet ski, yeah.
Hey guys, it's Janai. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this super light platinum blonde color, starting with my natural dark brown hair color. I did bleach my hair 3 times,
oh my god,
to get it to this color. So if you don't want to do that, this tutorial isn't for you, because that's what I did in this tutorial. And 2 things before you guys come in the comments. 1, I know that you shouldn't bleach your hair 3 times in one day, but I don't have any hair. I don't have much to lose, to be honest. 2, I've been preparing for this like all week. I've been deep conditioning and doing all types of stuff to prepare for this, so it's fine. Thanks. So I did bleach it 3 times, like I said. So that's what this tutorial is. And if you guys are interested, just keep watching. So I'm gonna start by taking my BW2 bleach and a 40 volume developer, and I use about 1.5 ounces of developer just because I have such short hair, and I use 2 scoops of the BW2 and I mix it until it's like a creamy consistent paste. I normally use 30 volume developer, but I was using 40 to bleach lace. So now I'm going to take some Vaseline and just put that along my hairline, just because sometimes I've noticed that when you put the bleach like on your hairline, it'll kind of lighten your skin a little bit. So I'm just gonna start by putting the bleach all over my head. I'm gonna do my edges last, just because, you know, your edges are so fragile. So I'm also doing the top first because that's where like the most hair is, and I don't want to put the bleach like on my skin where it's like shaved a little bit lower. So yeah. So as you guys can see, I'm not even done yet, and the bleach is already starting to lighten my hair. So 30 volume developer doesn't lighten your hair this fast, so you don't really have to rush. So I'm gonna let this sit in my hair for 30 minutes. So this is what it's looking like after 30 minutes. So now I'm just going to wash this out with this Cream of Nature coconut milk shampoo and this Affinity keratin 2-minute reconstructor. So this is what it looks like once I've washed it all out. So as you can see in the front, my edges are still a little bit dark. I was being a little bit too gentle and didn't really get bleach on them. So now I'm gonna take what I have left and put that on my edges first, just so it can kind of like catch up, and then I'm just gonna bleach the rest of my hair just like I did before. So this is what it's looking like now after I've washed it out for the 2nd time, and then once again I'm going to lighten it one more time. I just made a little bit more bleach. Honestly, if this is light enough for you, you can stop here, but I was really aiming for a really light platinum, which is why I did it 3 times. So this is the result. I will also have better pictures on my Instagram, so you guys can follow me at Janai Kirsten. And yeah, so this is the final result. The only thing I don't like about this really light blonde is that it makes my edges look like less, like, you know what I'm saying, like it kind of like, I don't know, I don't really like that, but they're there, guys. Don't think that just because I bleached my hair 3 times that they're not there, because they're there. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and like I said, if you guys want to see more pictures, or pictures period, because this is obviously a video, but anyway, just follow me on Instagram. And if you guys would like to see more tutorials like this, just let me know. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, be sure to do that right now, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.